Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Nanny. By the way, if anyone new here haven't seen me before. So when I start off the YouTube during the COVID, and then I was disappeared on in 2021. Yeah, 2021, and then I was gone for until now. So now I just got chance to come back now. So I'm so excited to coming back to do it again. Okay, and just so you know that my channel right now, I try to make just the easy dish, simple dish to make like everyone else able to make it at home. Okay, if you love Thai food or you want to try Thai food, just take a look on my channel or the simple dishes over there. So if you have any questions or you don't understand anything, just let me know or inbox me anytime or text me anytime. Okay, I'm happy to give you the best answer as I can. Okay, all right guys, so the dish I'm gonna show you today, we call the ginger chicken or stir-fried ginger with the chicken. It's a very simple dish, very easy as well. I believe that you have seen on the menu at the Thai restaurant. Okay, so okay, if you guys ready, let's go ahead to make it together. Okay everyone, let's check out with our ingredients of today. Today I use chicken breast, and I just gonna cut it up slice piece like that, just for small bite. And ginger roots, yeah, the whole roots is look like that, and you just slice it up, make like noodles like that. And also the white mushroom, if you don't have white mushroom, you can use other kind of the mushroom, that is fine. And green onion, we have the green onion or scallion, you cut it up 2 inches long. Thai chili, if you cannot handle spiciness, you just cut down or skip it, that's fine, because very spicy, just be careful. And white onion, just slice it up, make it very thin slice pieces. So everything you can use as much as you want. It's very flexible for Thai food. That's the good thing of the Thai food. So, and the garlic, the whole garlic, just mince or chop it up, look like that. And then I use 2 tablespoons today. You can add more or reduce it. It's up to your preference. And for the seasoning, we use white sugar, chicken powder, and a soy sauce. You can use the green cap soy sauce, and if you have it, that tastes good too. But today I don't have green cap, I use this one instead. And also oyster. And next one is the soybean paste. This is the main ingredient as well. It's very tasty. You cannot skip this one for ginger chicken. All right. Okay, if you are ready, just let's make together. Just follow me step by step, please. After turn on your stove at a high heat, and then you're gonna add 3 tablespoons of olive oil or vegetable oil. And add the garlic. Just lightly stir fry your fresh garlic until turn light brown and gold. And then next step, add the chicken. And then you're gonna stir fry your chicken until it's cooked 90% cooked. So at this point, just turn your stove at a high heat. Add a little bit of the water or chicken broth, just a little bit at a time. And then add mushroom, fresh ginger. So at this point, you can turn down your stove down to medium heat, and then add white onion, add the chicken powder, and then add sugar, oyster, and the soy sauce. And also your soybean paste, very yummy. Okay, at this point you can turn your stove back to the high heat and keep stirring and then mix everything together. And then you can add your chilies, green onions. And you're gonna keep stir frying until everything will combine and cooked. If you think you need more water, just add a little bit at a time. Just make sure not too dry, not too juicy, or not too much water. Or if you add too much water, so the flavor is gonna be very light. Keep your temperature at a high heat still. And once you see everything will combine, and then just taste it. I think we are good. We are done now. Everything tastes perfect. And then you just go ahead, put on your serving plates. And this type of dish is very perfect with pair with jasmine rice. Don't forget to steam your jasmine rice ahead of time. Okay guys, please enjoy. And I hope you guys like this video, and if this video helpful, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up or subscribe. Or also don't forget to turn on your notification so you won't miss the next video coming up. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and thank you for your support, and see you guys next time.